Yeah, sure. I on the video. Can
Yes,
you saw me?
yes,
Yep.
I can see you, Kumail. Thank you so much. So, Kumail, uh, could you please tell me something that is not written on your CV?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I try to include all the things on my CV related to my professional experience. But apart from my professional experience, I am very good in cricket, and I really like to play my role in extracurricular activities from the beginning of my school, and then in college, in university. I am a very good player of cricket, and I like to play football as well.
Oh, that's great. So, who is your favorite player other than
Yeah.
Pakistan?
Yeah, actually, I like Virat Kohli. He's a very super batsman, and I really he's my the best cricketer I saw in my cricket history.
Okay, good to know. So, Kumail, please tell me something about SAP FICO.
Yeah, actually, SAP starts in 1972 by the IBM professionals, and from the beginning of the SAP, the focus is on MRP, material resource planning. But nowadays, SAP is focused mainly on the SAP finance module, and finance module consists mainly of FI and CO, financial accounting and management accounting. And according to my perspective, finance is the you can say the lifeblood of any organization, and the integration which SAP FICO offers is extraordinary. And I also worked with Excel and QuickBooks in my career, but the FICO integrates in a very professional part, and this is all I would like to share with you.
Okay, okay, Kumail. So, why the financial statements are important for any business?
Yeah, actually, the financial statements are important because every organization wants to you can say publish financial accounts for external stakeholders like external like shareholders, for tax authorities, for banks to gaining loans. So financial statements are for external parties, and this is very important for any organization who is listed in a stock exchange to publish their financial statements after every certain period of time.
Okay. So, can you tell me what are the common reasons of errors in the accounting and what impact do they actually have on the organization?
You want to know the common errors?
Yes.
The common errors are mainly based on the estimates, like the depreciation. Because of the different depreciation methods organization uses, we can say the we can you can say the bulk amount of actual amount, and you can say overstated amounts of profits or understated amount of profits can happen because of the estimates. So when an auditor wants to perform his audit, his work, so he mainly focus on the estimates, because of the estimates like bad debts, depreciation. These are the estimates mainly auditors focus, because these are the main holes where we can saw the main errors of any organization.
So, what are the major applications of SAP FICO you are familiar with?
Actually, you want to know the modules of the FICO?
No, my question was what are the major applications of
uh,
applications?
application application in what sense? Like interest calculation mechanism, bank reconciliation application, you want to know that?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we have many applications in our FICO module. Like we have Dunning. Dunning is very good application which FICO offers to convey our receivables for their overdue amounts. And these are the very good application. Dunning interest calculation program is also very important. Foreign currency revaluation program. I am working on foreign currency revaluation program, and nowadays in my client, because of this functionality, clients always happy to have this functionality, because of the we can revalue our open items, and we can also revalue our balance account items. GL balances accounts. So and we have also the functionality to reverse automatically of our own items because these are unrealized on the beginning of the next period. So in bank reconciliation statement, because we have the functionality to overvalue you can say reconcile our bank statement on manual functionality as well as electronic bank reconciliation. So these, I think these are the main applications we have in our FICO model.
Okay, thank you. So what are the biggest benefits that you can have with the SAP FICO?
So biggest benefit we can have because I think the best benefit and always clients want to have this benefit because their subsidiary ledgers and the main ledgers of you can say the GL have always a difference before FICO because if we have our customer balances of 1,000 but when we saw the GL balance maybe it will be increased from 1,000 or you can say less than the 1,000, but FICO offers the reconciliation account concept, and I think this is the main concept we have to get benefit from this because we have always reconciled our sub ledgers with our main GL balances. So I think this is the main functionality, and clients always very happy to have this functionality.
Okay, Kumail, do you think you were a successful person?
Sir, actually, I think every person should have to improve his life, his skills, and I think I am trying to be a successful. And but I'm not. You can say that if I think I am 100% successful, this means I have to stop my learning as well. But I am growing person. I have to grow my career. I have to grow my skills, learn new skills. So I will try to be a successful person.
Okay, how many people are working with you right now?
So actually, we are deputed in our very main oil and gas sector of Pakistan. OGTCL is our client name, and we have approximately 10 people working in our. Basically, I am working with Siemens. Siemens is a partner, and we are working in a team. And my team is consist of mainly 10 to 12 people,
Okay,
and every
Kumail.
person.
Okay, Kumail. I will. My question is, would you rather work for money or job satisfaction? What is important for you? Actually, I would like to know
I
that.
Yeah, actually, I think sir, both things are important because we can't rely on only one thing. Because if earn a good money, but I am not satisfied with my job, then maybe I will not play the biggest part with my best. But I can't play with my best. But I think if I am satisfied with my job, but not earning the handsome money, so this is also I think not I can not fulfill my job easily. So I think we should balance our life and we should balance our working and satisfaction as well as in money terms as well.
Okay, okay, well, thank you. So, can you tell me what prerequisites are there which users need to handle when it comes to document clearing?
Document clearing, you want to clear documenting a GL clearing and receiver clearing, payable clearing.
Okay. Okay, what is internal order option in SAP FICO?
Yeah, actually, internal order we have two options available in internal order: real order and statistical order. Real order you can say as a cost object which absorbs the cost, but statistical order is you can say working as a parallel with our main CO object. Like we post our cost in cost center, but in parallel in a statistical order our cost also records in our statistical order as well. So we can evaluate our performance on any internal order as well.
Okay, can you tell me something about parallel local currency in SAP?
Yeah, actually, nowadays we also working in parallel currency because our client has a requirement for the parallel currency, and we are using hard currency in our client requirement because our clients issue financial statement in PKR Pakistan currency, but also they want to have in dollar currency accounts as well. So we are working on parallel currency. A parallel currency also, we have the option to use parallel currency when we have you can say different accounting standards as well. So yeah, we are working on it.
Okay. Can you name a few methods with the help of which the vendor invoice payments can be taken care of?
You can yeah well, can you repeat the question?
Can you name a few methods with the help of which the vendor invoice payments can be taken care of?
Yeah, yeah, we have two methods. We can pay the vendors with our residual item and with partial payments as well, apart from the full payment. So residual payments has the option in which we clears the whole item of vendor liability and a new document is generated. But in partial payment, vendor liability is state on their first you can say first state, and we only pay the partial amount, but the document is not cleared. But in residual, document of liability is cleared.
Okay, so can you compare SAP FICO with any general financial accounting and controlling approach?
With any other ERP?
Yes. No,
Actually,
my question, I would like to repeat the question. Um,
okay.
can you compare SAP FICO with any general financial accounting and controlling approach?
Uh, uh, actually, when I start my career, I started with QuickBooks and mainly on Excel. So I don't have the greater experience of working with any other ERP software, but I know the Oracle as well. And my client is currently working on Oracle, but the Oracle has the option of difference in subsidiary ledger and the main GL ledger reconciliation account. But this is the best advantage we have when we get the SAP, because of the reconciliation approach of recon account and the subsidiary ledgers.
Okay, Kumail, what irritates you about co-workers?
If in every team you have to balance, you have different type of approaches people follow in their work environment. Not in a such a sense that irritates me, but I would like to improve certain things when we're working with my coworkers to follow the timings of the office timings, because in my client's timing, some of my fellows don't follow the office timings and they want to sit late but arrive in office very late. So this is the approach I think my coworkers should improve, so we can work with a better approach.
What do your co-workers say about you?
I also said that every person have some weaknesses and some strengths. My coworkers wants that I should improve my communication skills better, so because I can express myself better. So they think I should improve my communication skills. This is because in a consulting environment, it is very important for every consultant to express their feelings in a very efficient manner.
Okay, Kumail, thank you so much for joining this interview session. So it was a
Thank you.
nice discussion, and I was enjoying the conversation a lot.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you,
Kumail,
sir.
so as you know, this is a very initial phase of this recruitment process.
Yeah,
So
sure.
once you are shortlisted here in this round, then you will be contacted
Okay.
for the second round of interview, and you'll get to know
Okay.
everything about the company and other information. Okay. So
Okay. Sure,
wish
sir.
you a
Thank
very
you for
good
your
luck.
time, sir.
Take care. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Kumar.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Take care. Take care.